The Philippines made a significant mark by clinching two gold and two bronze medals this year. Carlos Yulo not only delivered one but two gold medals in the floor exercise and vault events of gymnastics. Boxer Nesty Petesio settled for bronze against Poland in the semifinals of the boxing competition. Another boxer Ira Villegas also secured a bronze medal against her quarterfinal opponent from France. This is not only our best Olympic medal haul, but also the first time that the Philippines had won multiple gold medals.
Gold medalist and Olympic champion, Carlos Yulo.
Well, that crowd reaction tells you what a popular winner he is. 24-year-old who years ago was invited across to Japan to train. Had a recent change of coach. Felt like he was losing his way.
He said his ambition is to win gold at Paris in 2024. And he's met that ambition.
Job done.
Alam mo, watching that, kinikilabutan pa rin ako.
Pero
Tapos yung pinalabas pinakita yung flag natin, tapos pinakanta yung national anthem natin. Parang nakaka-proud talaga yung moment na yun.
Actually, mga performance din ng boxers natin, hindi mamaliitin.
Of
because
course.
difficult din magkaroon ng gold sa boxing because kung hindi mo man-knockout yung kalaban, it's nakasalalay sa judge ang performance mo. There are instances na ibang interpretation ng judge sa talagang nangyari. So that's why yung bronze sila Nesty and sila Ira could have easily been 2 more golds. We would have had 4. But just the same, yung whole gold medal haul natin was the most significant in near history. 2 gold medals tapos bronze. Si Nesty also had a silver sa Tokyo Games ba yan?
Oo, tapos basta nakakatuwa
Tokyo Games
sila.
ba yan?
Alin, hindi ko masyado. Sa Tokyo.
Yeah,
Silver
Tokyo
siya.
Games,
Oo.
silver.
Yung last Olympics nila. Tapos of course si EJ Obiena, 'di ba? Olympic hero natin din dito. Kahit hindi siya nanalo, talagang favorite pa rin siya. Parang the boyfriend ng bayan ang tawag sa kanya.
Pero may sumikat kasi sa pole vault na isa, hindi winner. Sumabit sa pole.
Ano ang country yun?
US ba yan?
I
No,
forgot.
Italy.
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 Pero again, that moment,
France.
yan yung
Italy or
binibigay
France.
yung medal, yung gold medal kay Carlos Yulo twice. Tapos 2 beses pinatugtog din, magkaibang araw.
Saan siya nanalo? Pamela ba? Floor exercise?
Floor exercise at saka vault.
Vault, oo.
Diba, pinatugtog yung national anthem natin. Talagang nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud yung moment na yun. Kasi all over the world, nanonood sila. Tapos diba, nag-trending din yung mga picture ng mga Olympic gold medalists na kinakagat yung kanilang medal.
Oo.
Diba?
Let's give props also to our
Yes, of course.
No, wait. Well, hindi ko pa sinasabi saan.
Oh.
Let's give props to our Paralympians.
Yes,
yun
of
ang sinasabi ko.
course. Oo.
Sila Ernie Gawilan, di ba? Arnel Aba ba?
Hindi, wala si
Wala
Arnel
siya.
Am.
Oh, the rest of the they competed fiercely sa Olympics. Wala naman medals pero they did their best also. So props na rin sa kanila.
Yes, of course. Congratulations.